But at least we got the right color toe strap for the Cali green, and of course we always bring a Can-Am with us to solve problems. So here we go. It looks like the primary clutch or something. Well, here it is. It looks like the castle nut backed out. Maybe somebody at the factory didn't tighten it down enough. It's kind of what we're thinking, so we'll see. Ready? All right, so climbing a pretty steep hill, and looks like the castle nut on the primary clutch just backed itself off. We're thinking maybe just from the factory, didn't get torqued down properly or something. But yeah, so we're gonna take it back to camp and see how bad it is. Lucky I got my best mates out here with me, Mario and the Avar, to the rescue. Our whole group stopped. There's like 4 other cars. Sean over Utah Motor Works, he's helping me out. And line me up to our trailer here, I think.